Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on DOOGEE V30. So you have to start with opening your Google application and then click on your avatar. Now go to settings and click on Google Assistant. Now scroll down and click on Hey Google and voice match. Now click here to enable Hey Google option and then click next. Now you have to scroll down and click I agree, then click continue, and now click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click finish. And now you can click back and click back again and then click on lock screen and click yes I'm in and make sure that this first option is on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant works on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.